Now, children, let us talk about reading of the Constitution. Actually, reading means the draft was discussed by the Constituent Assembly. That process was called reading. Reading was done clause by clause since November 4, 1948. Thereafter, the draft underwent the second reading also, which was completed on October 17, 1949. It was followed by the third and the final reading, which were completed on November 26, 1949. It means there were total 3 readings were there. Now, time taken. It took nearly 3 years for the Constituent Assembly to finally pass the Constitution. It means the time was 2 years, 18 months and 11 days. So, it was called nearly 3 years. At the time of its signing, the Constitution consisted 395 articles and 8 schedules. It means एट द टाइम व्हेन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वॉज साइंड यानी स्टार्टिंग में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कितने आर्टिकल थे 395 आर्टिकल्स एंड 8 स्केड्यूल थे और 22 पार्ट्स थे एंड इट इज़ द वर्ड्स लेंथीएस्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. ये जो हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वर्ड्स लेंथीएस्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है. नाउ चिल्ड्रन you know at the time of signing there were 395 articles and 22 parts and 8 schedules. Now, by the amendment, because of the amendment, at present 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules are there in our constitution. Because you know na, it is flexible, so amendment was there, so here is 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedule at present till today. Earlier it was, again I am reminding, it was 395 articles and 8 schedule. Now let us start implementation of the Constitution. After the signing of the Constitution, only the clause relating to the citizenship and others came into force immediately. यानी जो citizenship से related clause थे वो तुरंत इफेक्ट में आ गए. साइन के बाद तत्काल वो प्रभावी हो गए. This was to enable person displaced as a result of the partition to register themselves as the Indian citizens. यानी because of the partition the people were to transfer here and there. So ये जो सिटीजनशिप से रिलेटेड जो रूल्स थे वो तुरंत प्रभावी हो गए थे ताकि लोग अपने को एज अ सिटीजन रजिस्टर करवा सकें. नाउ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वॉज अडॉप्टेड एंड पास्ड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज अंडरलाइन. मेनी टाइम इट कैन बी आस्क्ड in the short questions. The Constitution was adopted and passed by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. The Constitution as a whole came into force with effect from January 26, 1950. Why the January 26 is taken, I have taught you, I have explained you in starting of the chapter, but I will tell you again afterwards. Let us continue the next part which is given in the book. With the coming into force of the Constitution, C. Rajagopalachari became the Governor General. So, first Indian Governor General of independent India was C. Rajagopalachari. He replaced Mountbatten. The Constituent Assembly became the provisional parliament until the new general election were held in 1951-1952. It means आपको दो नॉलेज यहाँ पे मिला. टिल द न्यू पार्लियामेंट फॉर्म, न्यू इलेक्शन वर देयर, तब तक क्या हुआ, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली वर द प्रोविजनल पार्लियामेंट. यानी जो हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली थी वो ही उसी को पार्लियामेंट मान लिया गया जब तक कि नया पार्लियामेंट का गठन नहीं हुआ, नए इलेक्शंस नहीं हुए. एंड डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, हु वॉज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली, took over the President of Indian Union. You know very well that Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first President of India. Now let us talk about significance of 26 January. What is given here? The date January 26, 1950 for commencement of the constitution was especially selected because of its historical importance. बच्चों ये जो January 26, 1950 the date was selected for the commencement of the constitution, ये यूं ही नहीं select किया गया था. It was, the date was having special historical importance, so the date was selected. What historical importance? It was on this day, इसी दिन January 26, 1929 को that the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress had for the first time given the call of पूर्ण स्वराज और complete independence. यानी इसी दिन 1929 को 26 जनवरी को पहली बार इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस ने पूर्ण स्वराज या complete independence का नारा दिया था. And after that means from the 1930, 26 January 1930 till 1947, 26 January 1947, the 26th January was the date we celebrated as Independence Day. यानी जब तक 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारा देश आज़ाद नहीं हुआ, we have got independence, till the date we have celebrated 26 January as Independence Day. यानी हम आज़ादी के पहले 26 जनवरी को ही इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाते थे. सो द डेट वॉज सेलेक्टेड ऑन द अचीविंग इंडिपेंडेंस ऑन 15 अगस्त 1947 बिकेम द इंडिपेंडेंस डे. सो जब 15 अगस्त 1947 को जब हमें आज़ादी मिली तो इट वॉज decided to celebrate it as Independence Day. It became Independence Day. So January 26 was designated as the Republic Day. तो इसी historical value के कारण, this historical value what? Since then the day was celebrated as Independence Day up to 1947. Okay. यही वजह रही. Because of this, the day was selected for designated as the Republic. The day was selected for the enforcement of Constitution. Finally, January 26 was designated as the Republic Day. So, children, fact file is given. Let us continue that also. Constituent Assembly elected July 1946, first session 9. December 1946, objective resolution proposed on December 13, 1946. All the dates are very important. अक्सर ये एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाते हैं. So I am revising. You should also revise. Objective resolution proposed on 13 December 1946 and passed on January 22, 1947. Drafting committee set up on 29 August 1947 and first draft completed on February 1948, first reading November 1948, second reading October 17, 1949, third reading November 14, 1949. Now Constitution passed and adopted on 26 November 1949. Now it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Constituent Assembly members of undivided India 385. After the partition, India by the articles were, how many articles were? 395 articles and 8 schedules. At present, you should know, it was told to you, try to remind, but at the time of commencement it was 395 articles, 8 schedules and 22 parts. Now try to keep in your mind all the dates, because the dates are very important for your 9th exam also, and if you are trying to take part in any competitive exam, so also it is very important. So now we will continue short answers question. Try to find out. If you feel any problem, you can ask me, children. Okay. Thank you, class.